What is up, YouTube? It's your boy King Josiah, and I'm back with another banger video. Listen up, okay? So in this video, it is the month of January. Okay, I know I'm a little late. I've been gone, but I'm back. Okay, so while I've been gone, I've been collecting a few checks. So specifically, my YieldMax ETF Dividend cash flow infinite money glitch, $3,000 all the way to $50,000. If you want to know how I do it, I'm gonna show you exactly how I'm doing it. Okay, so I'm doing my payday right now. I'm gonna show you exactly how much money I made, and we gonna get right into the video. I'm not gonna waste none of your time. It's the list right here. As you can see, I made $203. Dang, it disappeared. I also did find a spreadsheet. I found it on YouTube. I'm still kind of filling it out. I still got to add my sold positions because I did end up selling Alti. I think I sold it this month because I was down 20% and the NAV was just too bad on Alti, so I did sell out that position. But we gonna pull up the chart back up, and we gonna go over how much I made in January and my payouts from which stock. Oh, January 1st to 31st. All right, so starting off, we got YieldMax and YMAG. As you already know, I am gonna be adding more YieldMax and YMAG in the February. So when you see the February dividend distribution, you're gonna see I do own more shares of YieldMax and YMAG. But at this time of the distribution for YieldMax and YMAG, I think on YieldMax I own around about 32 shares, and YMAG I own about maybe 27 shares. Okay, so as you can see, the payout is $596 and $683. I'm gonna double check on how much shares I did own of YieldMax and YMAX. I'm gonna look into the payment and I'm gonna show you. So just give me 1 second as I go through my dividend payments, and we gonna see. So we gonna go to the month of January, and for YieldMax, for the first payment of YieldMax, they paid me on. Yeah, they paid me on 33 shares. Okay, so YieldMax, they paid me on 33 shares. And YMAG, they paid me on 25 shares. No, 27 shares. So, $596, $683. So, it and YieldMax and YMAG are weekly payouts, weekly distributions. I will be adding more weekly distributions to my YieldMax portfolio because I do want more weekly payouts. Okay. Next up, we got Nvidia. Nvidia had, okay, let's just talk about the market recently. Like January and February, I don't know. The market been down. Okay. So right now the whole portfolio is red. Okay, my whole portfolio is red. I'll show y'all my portfolio right quick. The whole portfolio is red. As you can see, I'm currently down 17% right now, but I have, ooh, that's crazy. But yeah, I might not do options no more either. Well, nah, I'm still gonna do. I'm not gonna lie, it's an addiction. But we'll be green on options very soon. But as you can see, the market is just red. Okay, Nvidia right now, we can go to Nvidia at 52-week lows. Okay, let's see right quick. Let's go to Nvidia. Let's see what's going on. I think they do got earnings today. Oh, Nvidia might be catching up, but we will go to Nvidia. This is a good time to get in on Nvidia. By the time I drop this video, it might not be a good time, but okay, 20 is let me go to the hourly. It ain't too bad on the hourly. It looked like this might be time for reversal, But on the overall, let's go through the daily. You know, I got in my position on Nvidia is all the way up to 24, and I did not average down only because I just did not have the money to throw in at the time, even though I was getting weekly payouts. Obviously, as you can see, I was putting it in on option plays. So I'm not gonna lie, I kind of messed up the portfolio, but we slowly rebuilding it back up. I'm gonna abstain from options for now on. Any money I make off of my YieldMax, I will be reinvesting it and not throwing it into my options plays, because yeah, that was crazy. But let's get back to the video. So give me 1 second so I can find the payout chart, or we can just look right here. But it's not the same because it doesn't have my Alti payout. But as you can see, for YieldMax for the month, I made a total of $24.78. For YMAG, I made a total of $13.99, and that is on me owning, what did I say, around like 33 shares of YieldMax and 27 shares of YMAG, if I am correct. But as you can see, on the month of February coming up, the payouts were a little more because I did add more shares of YieldMax. But we will still get into the video. For Nvidia, I did end up making $64.69 on a total of, I'm going to check how many shares of Nvidia I did have, but I ended up getting two payouts for the month of January on Nvidia, which I really don't know why, but I did. So, you know, I really do appreciate that. So yeah, as you can see, on Nvidia, I got paid on January the 7th, 90 cents for 36 shares. And on January the 31st, 2025, they paid me 83 cents on 39 shares. So I did buy a little bit more Nvidia during the month of January. But, you know, they paid me $64 in all. And I don't remember receiving 2 payouts per month from Nvidia. So maybe that was just like for the month of January. I don't know. Maybe the calendar. I really don't know. But I do appreciate that extra payout because it did get me to $200 for the month. Next up on the list, we do have Misty. I got a small payout, $6.84. And the reason the payout from Misty is small is because I had just started a position in Misty at that time. So I did not own that much shares. But I will let you know what Misty is. We're just going to go to ChatGPT because, yeah, I really don't have time. So we're going to let ChatGPT explain to you exactly what Misty is. Misty is it is a YieldMax option income strategy tracking MSTR. You know, they have high distributions. You know, I seen, you know, $2.27 per share. Whoa, you know, but high distribution comes with you know, a higher NAV. So, you know, you got to watch out for that too. But as you can see, the price right now is $19.76. The price I got in, my average price for Misty is, let's see, 1 second, give me 1 second. Average price for Misty for me is $26.40. So I am down on Misty 24 cents, like, which is crazy. It's crazy. I could have waited maybe two more weeks before I started my position on Misty, and I would have got a way better entry. But, you know, I can't time all my entries perfect. But as of right now, I do own 26 shares of Misty. So you will see for next month in February, the payout will be higher. But for January, the payout for Misty was lower because at the time, I only owned, 1 second, at the time of Misty, I think I owned about 7 shares. So that's why the payout was only maybe $6. I'm gonna double check right quick. We're gonna see exactly how many shares of Misty I own. and how much they paid me out on that month of January. And while I'm searching for this Misty payout, make sure y'all like the video, make sure you guys subscribe, because I do got the month of February YieldMax ETF video dropping very soon, because as you can see, it's already it's February 26th, so I do have to drop the February video too. I was a little delayed on my time because I was on vacation, so I did not be able to drop videos like how I wanted. But since I was on vacation, I will be dropping another video on exactly how I made money while on vacation, day trading options in Dubai. So for Misty, they only paid me on 3 shares that first month of January. You know, like I said, I did not own that many shares. Okay. So next up on the list, let's go back to the spreadsheet. I did get this spreadsheet from YouTube. I can't remember the YouTuber, but if I do find them, I will link them below. We do have Apple. It follows Apple. It's a YieldMax ETF for Apple. Okay. Option income strategy, same thing. I do like Apple because the NAV erosion on this, it really doesn't like move at all. You feel me? So I do need to start adding more shares and buying more shares. I don't know why. This is doing their distribution whatever rate is usually around like 30%, whatever, 30 cents per share owned, but that's good. You don't always need $1 per share, 80 cents per share. 30 cents per share is cool. You feel me? You can just let your money sit there. You don't got to worry about the NAV erosion. So I should add way more. But as you can see, they paid me $466. I only own about 21 shares of Apple. Okay, I do need to add more. And last on the list, we do have Alti. Alti is something I did sell out of only because it just, as soon as, by the time it just been dropping ever since I got in it. Like, I had to get out of that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I felt like it was my time to leave Alti. And sometimes we got to sell out our positions and move somewhere else. So I'll pull up the chart, and I'm gonna show you exactly how much I got paid from Alti for that month of January. Okay, so we go here, January. Alti paid me $30.29. And I did own about 59 shares of, well, I can check exactly right here because I'm still trying to learn how to use this chart. As I said, I got this from another YouTuber. But Alti paid me 30. I own 60 shares of Alti. I sold it at $8.16. Now, total dividends received for Alti in total was $134. I probably owned this stock for maybe 3 months or less than 3 months. So it is what it is. If I took a W, if I took a loss, it is what it is. Total return $597. Total dividends received, you already said that. Market return $489. I think I am. I think I don't know. I really don't know what to say about Alti. But next month, yeah, as you can see, the portfolio is down. I've been taking some L's recently, and I kind of been mixing trading with my dividend yield portfolio. And I'm like, you know what? I gotta do 1 and 1. I can't just mix it around. So I'm still trying to learn how to use this spreadsheet. But as you can see, I'm getting my dividends up to $300 per month. My goal is $400 per month because I was investing $100 per week into my portfolio. But I recently did cut off my $100 per week investment because I will be investing in myself and learning a new skill, the new skill. It's not future trading, but I'm kind of playing with prop firms. So that's kind of where, you know, if I blow through those prop firm accounts, whatever, okay, cool. And I still got, I'm trying to make it to $400 per month. After I get to $400 per month, we going to $1,000 per month in dividend payouts. Once I hit $1,000 per month, I need $5,000 per month, which I will be taking around maybe $2,000 out the $5,000 payouts per month. So we will get there. But as of right now, this is what it's looking like. And as you can see, for the month of February, it will be better. Well, I would say the month of March, because I did add a lot of positions. I did just buy a lot of, I bought a lot of Tesla because I felt like I could get in at a good price. I know it's risky, but I bought a lot of it. 52-week low, 973. Average share price, $12.76. It ain't too bad, but this is what it's looking like right now. But as of March, I expect the payout to maybe be around, maybe the payout in March might hit $400. That's what I'm going for. But February we might hit $300. I'm really not sure yet. Hold on, I'm sorry. I'm trying to learn how to use this. For real, I'm trying to learn. What? Oh, okay. February we might hit 300. I still do. I'm waiting on a payment from NVIDIA. And is that my last payment? It's February 26th. Current payment is 115. I don't even think that's right. I think I got 2 more payments from YieldMax and YieldMax, or maybe just 1 more payment from YieldMax and YieldMax and NVIDIA. So, you know, it's I don't know. I'm trying to see if I can hit at least 250 to 300 for February. But as you can see, in January, I did earn $203. But that is it for the video. Let me know exactly what you think in the comments below. Be sure to look out for my next videos on YieldMax ETF, my payouts for the month of February, and don't forget exactly how I made money in Dubai day trading. So make sure y'all stay tuned and be ready for the next video.